Welcome to next tutorial of C language. So in this video we are going to learn operators. You can check out here the different types of operators that are in C. So in this we are going to learn arithmetic operators. Let us mention the subheading in this. In this video we are going to learn only arithmetic operators. Now arithmetic operators are like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. All these are comes under arithmetic operation. So I forgot to explain that what is meant by operator. Suppose if you want to make some task between any two variables, then there is a use of these operators. So to perform any operation, the operators are required. So what we discussed, the arithmetic operators are like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. In order to perform this task or these operations, you need a requirement of operators. So to perform addition operation, you need this operator. So this is known as operator. For subtraction, you need minus symbol. For multiplication, you need star. So in division, there are two types. So one gives remainder and one more gives quotient. So for remainder, you need to use this percentage symbol. So for quotient, you need to use forward slash. So this percentage symbol also known as modulus division. So I think you have get an idea of different types of operations that are in arithmetic and the different types of operators for that operations. So let us make a practical. Like I'm taking two variables a comma b. I'm taking the input from the user at output n. So we need a scanf statement. So if you don't know the scanf statement, I have explained that thing in the previous video. You can check out there. So I'm advising the user to enter any two numbers and I'm scanning that inputs to a and b. Like I'm taking percentage d and percentage d. So I'm storing in the gap of these variables a and b. So let us run once. So here it is asking enter any two numbers. Suppose I am entering 4 and 2. So it is successfully taken the inputs. Now at very step I want to perform addition operation. So let us take one another variable like c. C is equals to a plus b. So we are performing addition operation with the help of addition operator. This is the arithmetic operator of addition. So again here I am printing the value of c. So you can check the answer 4 and 2. So you can check the answer 4 plus 2 is 6. So again I am giving like this a plus b is equal to, then otherwise you can also give like this, like percentage d of percentage d a comma b comma c. So at here we are taking the value of a, so at output end at this percentage d place we are printing the value of a. Similarly with this percentage d we are printing the value of b. Here we are printing the value of c. So if I run the program, you can check out there 4 and 2, you can see 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. Now similarly with this other operations, so I will mentioning here like percentage d minus percentage d equal to percentage d. So I am mentioning here some here, like at very first here I want to enter a, at here I want to print b, at here you can give directly here also like a minus b. So if I run this, you can see here, 4 plus 2 is equals to 6, 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. Suppose I want to printer in next line, I am using this backslash n in here before this. So if I run this, you can see here. So similarly with this multiplication, b comma a star b. So you can check here. So 4 star and means 4 into 2 equals to 8. So this printf statement is going very long. I am taking one another printf statement, printf, or you can use like this also. Again, if c is equals to a divided by b, so this prints coefficient value, c value. So at very first the c value is a plus b, then if I assigning like this, the second changing its value to a by b. So I want to print this in next line, so I am using here forward slash and then if I run the program, this gives a answer like this. Again similar with this modulus division, so this modulus division gives the remainder value. So again I am changing the value of c, like I am giving percentage d percentage by b, it is printing remainder. So like this, and other type of operators are going to explain in upcoming videos, so don't miss that videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Do like, share and comment the